chancel or whatever it's called.
Alright, I'm going. Oh, fuck you, game. Don't do that shit.
Are we
No! Woo!
We'll be back to shit. Okay.
Oh, we got some whales.
Oh my god.
balls.
Don't shake. Alright, alright, alright. We're in a room. It's. Oh, fucking, I'm pulling the lever.
I see a crank. Which
It
door?
opened the
Left or
door.
right, left or right?
Left, left, left. I don't know. Oh my god, where the hell am I?
No.
We're in Egypt.
I know, that's what it's like, man.
Oh, what the hell? It just like grabbed my camera and pulled it.
Alexander, now.
Can you open this? Oh! Jesus, what did I just do? I almost killed myself.
Did you guys
What
get
is
the
this
note?
thing? Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Did you grab that thing too, Brennan?
Yeah,
What the fuck is it?
I don't know.
It just like took our blood. It's like sitting in there. Oh, well, that's probably
Maybe we
good.
needed to do that.
That's probably exactly what we wanted to do. There's like a Satan circle on the ground.
Can you do it again?
Oh, my screen keeps like turning black.
Okay, I'm not gonna fuck with that thing again. I'm going into the other door across the way. It's another one. It's the exact same thing. You gotta do it again.
Is there?
You can light the candles. Maybe you have to do that. Some sort of sacrificial ceremony business. Is the door open? Do we know?
No, no.
It's a puzzle.
Oh, what the fuck? It just got all dark in here.
Yeah. Did you go into the circle?
Yeah, and it got all dark.
To the circle.
Oh.
What happened?
Stand in the circle for a while.
Which circle?
For a while?
Yeah, the one that makes your screen dark.
What the fuck? What is going on?
You have to do that to both of them, I think.
Oh, look, dude. The,
Oh,
fucking,
fuck! What the hell is going on?
the thing turned red. The big thing
Yeah.
on the wall. Oh my god,
Yeah.
it's terrifying.
I heard the door open. I heard the door open. No! 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 Get up!
Fuck! AIDS! AIDS!
Get up!
Everywhere.
Get up, please. Dude, get up. Come on. Go. Ah! Ah! The AIDS is killing me! Get up!
Not the
You stupid bastard. Ah, AIDS is gonna scare me. Run. Run through the door.
Damn. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that is a scary looking room. I don't want to go in here, guys.
I'm creeping on the right, in between the pillars and the wall.
Blasted me in the ass. Hey, I'm creeping too. Let's finish her up. Stu, yeah, whoa, get some.
Orb chamber.
That sounds promising.
Orb chamber. Oh my god, this sounds scary as fuck.
It sounds
I'm
like
so
the orb
scared.
chambers up ahead, guys. Orb chamber.
What? I'm gonna kill you, Alexander. Oh, there he is.
What? Are you serious? I haven't got through yet.
I was wondering if you
What? I don't see a person.
I see a gripper convinced you
Oh,
to
he's
run
talking.
some
Oh,
errands. Tell me,
he knows.
is everything nice and clear now? Am
Move
I
around. You can see him floating there.
Oh shit! So you can.
an evil?
Where?
This
Oh.
concept
Oh my god.
must be applicable. Are you so
What a
blind
wizard.
that you see no good in me or evil in a gripper? No, don't do that.
Yeah, fuck you, faggot.
Yeah, I did it. Now what?
Realize your dark
Oh my god.
intentions. Why would I take such extreme measures?
Push,
to save
push.
Maybe I'm saving mine too.
Alright, ruining shit, dog.
How do I keep pushing this shit? I can't push this one over.
You have to
You
pull
have to
it.
push this.
Gotta
Oh, you have to
keep
pull it?
pushing it different ways.
Jesus, I can't get it.
Do you see it?
Oh no. I can't get it, man.
Isn't it beautiful?
It won't fall over. It just keeps...
Finally return home.
Grab it and press one of the arrow keys.
But you,
Dude, I am, and it's not falling over.
I did it. I pushed the last one over.
I can't get it.
are still tainted.
Let's push it.
Branded by the shadow. It will
I am.
either way.
It like keeps swaying, but I can't get it. And now my screen's all white, and I have no idea what's happening.
Do you get it? Do you push it over?
No, I haven't pushed anything. He's gone.
Let me go.
What the fuck is happening, man?
Maybe you got like an alternate ending where you actually let him succeed.
Whoa. No. What the fuck? No! Leave me alone!
Doesn't sound like it.
Oh my god! What the fuck is happening? Holy shit! I just died.
Brennan, you should post that online so I can see what happened.
Thank you, my friend. Your
Are you
sacrifice
serious?
won't be forgotten. You will be celebrated forever.
You no way I failed? Oh, game, you give me fucking AIDS. That's the
stamp.
end.
Oh, I got credits. Yep, Dunzo.
I died. All that and I fucking died.
Do you not get to restart or respawn or whatever?
I got credits, man.
Post it, dude. I want to see that.
Ah. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching my Let's Play of Amnesia. I failed here at the end, it looks like. But thanks for joining us on this little journey. And I guess we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Dude. You failed. I knocked him all over and then, like, he died.